Good morning student, welcome to my channel Science Learners. In today's video, I am going to inform you about the circular which was sent by the government of the Karnataka Drug Control Department, Board of Examining Authority, D Pharma. So this circular says announcement has done that already we got the result yesterday of D Pharma first year. That exam was held in March 2021. So yesterday we got that result, and most of the student waiting for the what is the revaluation date, last date of the revaluation date. So the revaluation date is given in this circular that before the 21st August, see in the last line it is given that the last date for applying for the revaluation is 21st August 2021. Along with this, fees is what? 1000 rupees per subject. So along with this, the other information notification is what? That I am reading one by one. So see here what is given. First, mistake in, if suppose any student have the problem regarding their this name correction is there. So see first point what is given कि अगर किसी बच्चे का mistake है in the back entry तो attested copy of the provisional marks statement sent by the board has to be this document we have to submit in the college, and through the college it will be go to that examining authority. Second, अगर sessional या re-sessional marks में कुछ भी problem है, any problem is there in sessional re-sessional, तो उसका भी एक attested copy we have to submit in the college. Then third is अगर theory या practical marks में if any problem is there तो attested copy of invigilator diary that this college has to provide to the examining authority. Fourth point is given कि नॉन डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ रिजल्ट, किसी बच्चे का अगर रिजल्ट वगैरह वहाँ पे मिसिंग है, रिजल्ट वहाँ पे डिक्लेयर नहीं हुआ है तो उसकी भी एक कॉपी हमें कॉलेज में या कॉलेज वाले को एग्जामिनिंग अथॉरिटी को सेंड करना है. नेम करेक्शन, अगर हमें किसी अपने नाम में कुछ भी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स वगैरह है या नेम करेक्शन कराना है आफ्टर सीइंग दिस रिजल्ट, तो हमें पीयूसी या अपने 10th का एसएसएलसी मार्क्स कार्ड का एक अटेस्टेड कॉपी हमें प्रोवाइड कराना है कॉलेज वाले को, एंड थ्रू द कॉलेज it will go to the this documents will go to the examining authority. So this information I want to give you through this video. And one more thing is there here, the last date for, here see, the last date for submitting the above information is 21st August 2021. यानी इसी महीने में अभी 21 तारीख को 21st अगस्त को हमें ये सारी चीज़ें सबमिट कर देना है. इफ़ there is no correction, you are requested to submit nil correction list without fill. अगर हमारे पास कुछ करेक्शन नहीं भी है, सब कुछ करेक्ट है, तो भी हमें एक नील करेक्शन फॉर्मेट हमें भर के फिल करके देना है. एंड ये सब चीज़ें रिवैल्यूएशन डेट या फिर जो भी हमें करेक्शन कराना है ये हमें सबमिट कर देना बिफोर द 21st अगस्त. सो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड आई एम गोइंग टू शो द फॉर्मेट, which format we have to fill. See, this is the format. Here heading, see, application for the revaluation, here name and complete address of the student will come, then registration number, name of the college, examination and year, and name of the subject for which revaluation is applied for with the subject. So this format I am showing you, this format we have to fill and we have to submit to in the college. So with this video, this update I want to give you that I had given. So with these things I'm going to end my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.